GoTraffic Review.
GoTraffic, let me show you what it is. GoTraffic is AI-powered plug-and-play traffic solution that grabs free traffic from social media, in completely legal and ethical ways. And it is set and forget for the entire year. How exactly do you leverage social media in your business? How exactly do you leverage social media in your business? You are living under a rock if you are not on social media in 2021, this digital world where users are constantly scrolling through their feeds. Requires you to be socially active to be noticed. That's more than half the population of marketers telling you that when you thrive on social media, you thrive in profits. I am sure you are already on social media, it's kind of automatic in our day and age. But do you really understand what it can do for you? If people don't know about your business, they can't buy from you. Social media lets people know. People want to know how good you are before they decide to become your customers. You can let them know about your expertise easily through social media. You can create your very own image and communicate your values as a brand to people. Social media helps your customers understand the real you and all that you stand for. Social media helps you start a conversation. Speaking to all your customers was never a possibility before social media. Now you can understand their tastes to quickly incorporate them into your service or product. There is no guarantee to sales other than giving your customers what they want. Today social media has the power to make or break your business. Want to make profits in 2021? You need to carpet bomb every major social platform with the same intensity. 80% of social referrals to e-commerce sites came from Facebook. Twitter users spend 26% more time viewing ads than users on other platforms. In 2020, LinkedIn was voted the most trusted network. Tumblr has approximately 371 million monthly visits. In 2020, Reddit had 52 million daily active users, up 44% year. Like these big brands, you too will need a lot of resources to be active and ultimately become successful. You'll need truckloads of time, money, workforce, technical skills/resources. But, what if I told you there's an alternate way to become a social media success without pouring in all that extra time, energy and money? Introducing GoTraffic. 3 simple steps for 3x profit with GoTraffic. Step number 1. Log in. Simply log into your powerful dashboard from anywhere at any time. Step 2. Add your social media accounts in one click. Just check the social media accounts you want to connect. Step 3. Generate traffic, leads, and sales. Sit back and relax while GoTraffic posts highly engaging content for you. Crush your competition and stop reposting content created by others to get new customers. You are going to be blown away with all the amazing features and technologies. The best part? You can get GoTraffic for a jaw-dropping low one-time early bird price that is the lowest price you can ever get it at.
And bonuses worth thousands are included when you purchase this today. If you miss out now, you may be paying a monthly fee later. Click the first link in the description below to order GoTraffic commercial from the official website. Get your $20 discount by clicking the first link in the description below.